Talagang ano to, si Birit King, dramatic entrance to eh. Pinapakaba pa tayo.
Siyempre, ano pa, Birit King. Boses na boses pa lang yan, dramatic na. So, diba? Boses na boses pa lang yan, madadala ka na. Diba? Nasa kanya ng lahat, alam mo ba yon? Nasa kanya ng lahat eh. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. Natatawa ka. Sinabi ko lang nasa kanya ng lahat, wala ka nang hahanapin. Natawa ka?
Eh, nakakatawa naman talaga.
Hindi ko nakita si Baldo kasi ano rin yan eh, bully din yan eh, si Baldo.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one, the only, the very talented, the good-looking, mga kaibigan na napakataas ng boses, nag-iisang Birit King ng Itbulaga. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, put your together to Mr. Birit King Baldo.
You are perfect, changing hues, the change of seasons will leave you no clues. This desperation spreads within a broken soul. Life leaves you feeling dead. But just like Martha singing on a low down Sunday afternoon. Busy yung iba ba eh. Walang nang-concentrate sa kantahan natin.
Okay mga kaibigan, napasok tayo sa ating portion na usapang kaibigan. Yan.
Ayan!
Ang ating pag-uusapan po mga kaibigan is about Cupid or Cupido mga kaibigan. Yan. Cupido.
Cupido?
Ang kasaysayan about Cupido, ito po sa Greek mythology mga kaibigan. Si Cupido po, Cupido po, yan, in a Roman mythology, yan. Si Cupido po ay also known as Eros. Yan, Eros. Yan, tandaan niyo mga kaibigan. Yan, at si Cupid po ay Cupid means desire in Latin. Yan. He was the god of desire, affection, and erotic love in Roman mythology. Yan. Yan po, yan yung Cupido.
Yan ba si Cupido?
He was usually portrayed as the son of Venus. Yeah.
Oh, son of Venus.
Yeah.
Si Cupido pala nasa banda. Nagbanda rin pala si Cupido, hindi ko alam yan.
Kasi during that time, hindi malalaman niya kung bakit si F. Friend ay isang Cupido. Yeah, malalaman.
Yun, ay, parang alam ko na bakit.
Opo, yeah.
Ano ba si Cupido? Di ba siya yung ano ba tawag sa kanya?
During the Valentine's Day, siya po yung
yan,
nagsisymbolize na kung sino man yung papana niya.
Ayun. Kasi may mapapana.
Nai-inlove sa isa't isa. Yan. Siya yung parang matchmaker. Parang gano'n.
Oh, yung matchmaker. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Yung matchmaker, love maker, maker, love.
Yan si Cupido.
Eh, di ikaw yung matchmaker. Diba? Kasi sabi mo, bakit ka naging Cupido?
Oo. Pero ito nga, may istorya yan. Mga kaibigan, idudugtong ko na.
Sige.
Yan. So ito mga kaibigan, meron pa po akong i-add na video. Ito po. Tignan niyo po. Nakakatuwa lang po kasi ipipicture ko po yung aking mga kaibigan.
I love you. Congratulations. Yes, Arisagi. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me.
Thank you all for coming. It's good to see you all here. Nice, good-looking crowd of people. Yeah, Christmas just a couple of days away. And I'd just like to tell everybody in this room how much I love Desi. And we've been together about 18 months now. A good friend of ours, Efren over here, introduced me to Desi. And said that Desi would be a good match for you, John. So I said, oh, okay, I'll give it a go. So, yeah, it's been wonderful 18 months. No arguments, no dramas. Everything's just been really sweet. So, now I'm going to say, Desi,
in front of his people.
will you marry me, Desi?
I'm on that. I will never say no to a man like it's so beautiful, very understanding, very supportive, and very loving. Gentleman. Oh my God, my makeup is melting. Oh my Oh.
Yes, this is came from Bernadette and from myself. Happy birthday. I'm wishing you all the best. Pakibuksan mo yan para makita na. Lalo ko na.
Tumama sa mata niya yung
I
kitab.
would like to present to everyone the lovely couple.
Hello, Yahoo!
Desi and John. Hello there. The soon-to-be newlyweds. Yes.
Thank you.
We're happy to see you guys. You're all smile.
Sorry for the view because we're trying to just move. No, we're not moving yet. We're just bringing some stuff.
Yeah, we're in the middle of transport.
It's all good. The important thing is that we see you happy together, and it's finally happening for you, Daisy. The man has finally decided to give his heart to you, and you accepted it. What?
Yes,
I can see a happy couple. Yes.
Very happy.
Yes.
I am very happy to see you all guys, especially to Efren, our friend, who made an effort to do this for us. And
Yeah.
he's the Cupido. He's the Cupido.
You sure? Are you sure? Can you double check that? Did you have the police check? Did you have the police check on Efren? Because he may have, something may have been gone wrong,
Efren sobrang galing, sobrang bait. So,
Yes.
sa mga nanonood dyan, napakabait po ng kaibigan namin. Talaga. So, siya ang dahilan kung bakit kami nakasangko.
Yeah.
He's the Cupido. He's the Cupid. Cupid? You there, Cupid?
Naiiyak ako.
Desi and John, by the way, we would like to invite both of you on our show. This coming 18th of February. Yan, kami ni
Okay.
Yeah.
We will not be there.
Oh, yeah. We will support you guys. Baldo, hello. Lodi. I don't know idol ko yan sa kantahan. Pati si Madam O siya yung kumanta ng aming yung isang beautiful host nyo ngayon.
Si
Hello,
Perry.
napakaganda ng voice niya, napakaganda pa ng face. Sana all.
Thank you so much, Daisy. Thank you. And best wishes to both of you.
Thank you.
And we enjoy listening to your beautiful voice too, singing.
Yeah.
So much.
And because of that, mamaya Baldo will sing the perfect for both of you.
You?
Oh, yeah. So
Excellent.
thank you.
Thank you, Valdo.
And
You're welcome.
Yes, you can say something.
can we say something to all of you, especially to my friend Efren? Because we both love the way you do to the people's helping people. So we are decided to give 10,000 pesos for your sa
Charity,
mga
whatever.
charity mo. So ikaw nang bahalang magbigay sa kanila sa lahat ng iyong mga show na ginagawa.
Maririnig niyo mga kaibigan. Lalakot ang ating papremyo. So,
Para makadagdag sa mga binibigay mo sa mga taong nangangailangan kasi alam kong may mabuti
ayan,
kang
narinig niyo mga kaibigan, 10,000. So, hahatiin natin yan sa loob ng ilang buwan. Yan.
Yeah.
3 years. 3 years po installment.
Hindi naman.
Just kidding. Just making fun of this wonderful moment. You guys really, I have a big heart. Thank you for returning the love to Efren. I know Efren did so much in your life, and the gesture of your kindness will never be enough for what Efren has done to you guys. And may you may you really enjoy your life, your new life together. That's our wish today for you guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Valdo.
you.
Ayan.
Exit.
Hindi pa sige.
No, just stay. Just keep
stay.
on.
And
Express
Baldo
more
will
of the.
Magkwento pa kayo.
Can you tell us about a little bit of the prior to this wonderful occasion? How did it really came to be, and what really came down in your heart, John, when you really came to decide to say and ask the heart of Desi? Just a little romantic story down the road.
Yes, well, we met through the help of Efren. He introduced me to the beautiful Desi, and we got to know each other. And in the middle of lockdown, but I managed to travel halfway across Sydney and back every day, nearly every second day to visit her. And then, we started a beautiful relationship. It's been over 18 months now.
Wow.
We never fight, we
Nice.
never argue. We just laugh and enjoy life, and we're just happy together. So it was a perfect match.
Wow. How about you, Desi? How did you feel about this thing that's now happening to you? And what makes you really, accept this love from, the great love from John?
Actually, I told to Efren that I don't want to be in love again. So I am a single mom for a long time. So he said to me, please try this one, because this one is really a good person, a good heart. So try to talk to him for a while, and then let's see. So wala namang mawawala. And then when we are starting talking to each other, I found out that he's really a good man, and we are the same likes in life. Mahilig kami parehong kumanta, kahit mga boses namin kung saan na pumupunta, sa east, west, and south, okay lang. So he's very supportive, very kind, really very generous. So I think we are matching in the right time by God's will, Kasi we
Yes.
both, from the previous relationship, it's a bit hard from both of us. So I think through that bad experience from the past, I think we are much more conscious not to hurt each other and to be more stronger. So, but we will center the God in our relationship, because I know that nothing gonna be happen bad if you always put God in the center of your relationship.
Yeah.
Of course, trust and loyal.
It is just great to hear that from you, that you're putting God first in your relationship. And that is very important, in everything that we do in our lives. God should be always first and always be a part of what your decisions or every move of your life, and everything will follow. The Lord will bless you more in all of this endeavor, and especially that this life is becoming one. The two of you now becoming one will be more important. That you need to have more God in your life. That's good. That's good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Congratulations again.
And I will tell a bit of a funny story. The day when I was calling Desi before, I keep on ringing her. I keep on ringing her, and then she's not answering the phone. And then maybe
I thought it was a pageant. I said I don't want to join any pageant at all. So that's why I didn't answer your call.
And then siguro mga tawag ako ng tawag, nakailang miss call ako. She have a lot of miss call. She's just ignoring it. She thought, that's what she said. I will convince her again to join another pageant, because I met Desi before when I was an MC on one of the beauty pageant, which is the Mrs. Tourism. Yes. Tapos I was the one who's in charge with the music, and she was looking for me. She kept on looking. She thought I'm a Australian. That was she thought. And then when she seen me, it's a Filipino.
I saw many Australian. I thought Efren is Australian boy, so I just asked, "Are you Efren? Are you Efren?" Because I'm gonna give my USB. Because my talent before is singing, so yeah.
And then because before when Jan was he have like a wrong relationship before, same with Desi. So and Jan asking me if I know someone, and then Desi is the one the first person that I remember, because I know she's a good woman, and she's also came from the wrong relationship before, and now look at them now. See, it's really when I talk to them, they never have a fight, something like that.
Yeah. Thank you, Efren. You're the best matchmaker. The best.
Yes, we're very happy together.
And we will make sure that we will end up into a good couple as much as we can.
Yeah.
Because I think we are really matured enough. We're matured enough for dramas. We don't like dramas. We like comedy, like what you do.
We'll call our first son Efren.
Oh my God!
So much. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new sponsors, Jan and Desi. They donate 10,000 pesos sa mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat po. We have a new sponsor now. So, yan. So, makakatulong po. So, madadagdagan po ang ating mga papremyo. So, yung 500 natin, gagawin natin 1,000. Yan. So, maraming salamat.
Keep supporting our friends. Yes.
Yeah. Salamat. Yan. At talaga nga namang nagsasuportahan naman kami rito. So, at ang mga Pilipino rito naman nagkakaisa rin naman. So, maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Jan and Desi.
Thank you.
Yan.
God bless you all, guys. Love you all.
Thank you for giving us time on your show tonight.
The both of you, stay happy.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, Desi, this is Peoreta. Yeah.
Yes, hello. Yeah, I am one of fan.
Oh, thank you so much.
Very pretty. She's very pretty in a screen, and I'm sure in person is much more.
Yeah.
Beautiful voice, beautiful. Oh, sana all. Mapapasana all talaga.
Maganda.
Maganda raw, si maganda.
Oh, thank you so much, John. I wish I could find like you, John.
Naghanap pa. Oh.
Natawa ako kay Lodi, Valdo. At tawa. Kailan mo tayo mag-dinner, magla-lunch?
When is the day?
Sa show namin punta kayo.
Yes.
18th of February. Ay, bigay ko sa iyo yung poster namin.
Yes po.
Siya lang po nandun.
Salbay ko talaga, Baldo. Iiwan mo na naman ako.
Alam mo, doon talaga. Abang ako ng abang eh. Oh. Hindi ba pwedeng isama si Madam Oreta dyan sa show nyo? Hindi ba pwedeng isama nyo naman siya para may muse kayo?
Mabigat po yung talent fee niya si Pe. Mabigat po talent fee po niya. Grabe, hindi ko naman kaya yan. Bago po pa maimbitahan, dumadaan po sa maraming pong proseso. Merong NBI, meron po kang NBI clearance, birth certificate, census, lahat po yan, binabayaran po yan. Mga documentation pa lang yan, na kaagad, kalahating milyon. Authentication ang pinakamabigat dyan eh. Being our first couple here, in the very first time I heard somebody getting married on your stream, Efren. So I think it's much better now that we give them their song, which is a very perfect time for them. For John and Desi, let me render you this song, which was already chosen by our good friend Efren.
Yeah.
Wow. Take it away.
Take it away, Baldo.
I found a love for me, and darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight.
What?
Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. Still, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. But darling, just hold my hand, my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, Desi and John.
Thank you.
Thank you. That is for the both of you. That is for both of you guys. And when are we going to start the reception? I'm hungry.
Kinikilig ako, grabe.
Kinikilig na.
Mainit naman, ba't ang parang nagtabig bigla?
Yes. When love is around, everything is perfect. And for you guys, I know there's plenty more of love to be shared. Although you started with all your love life, you've stumbled on some wrong stones, but you've turned it over again with another one. And this one is going to be a better way for you to start a new love on the process. God bless you guys.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the beautiful song.
Thank
you. It's not my song. It's Efren's chosen song, and of course, it's a perfect song for you guys.
Thank you.
It's our theme song.
Yeah, it's our theme song. I know. So, yes, and of course, we don't want to miss that day when the two of you get together, and we hope you will be there to celebrate it with you.
Yes.
When is it happening?
We don't have
a date
yet, but this year, yeah.
Yeah, not too long.
I think it's better if we do it on February 18. Para double celebration.
Doon na sa show niyo.
Please come. Please come.
Ayan. Yes, okay, thank you so much once again, Desi and John.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Tingnan mo nga naman ang pagkakataon. May naitulay pa pala tong Efren na to. Kahit buhol-buhol na mga buhay ng mga yun, ay buho pa niya, pagdigtong-dugtong pa niya.
Diba? Kasi siya yung Cupid. Siya yung Cupido. Siya yung Cupido ng buhay nila.
Basta Cupid, hindi yung stupid Cupid. Pero napakaganda naman na yun. Tama naman yung ginawa mo, Efren. Naghanap sila, para ka palang dating game at saka matchmaking app. Pwede ka palang matchmaking app. Sa susunod po naming shows, yung pong nangangailangan po ng mga naghahanap po ng mga kapartner, dito po kayo dumulog sa Efren Your Friend matchmaking.
Naghahanap ng jowa.
Si Pe nga, nahanapan ko na to si Pe. Nahanapan ko na eh.
Ayan, mahirap yan. Mahirap yung kay Pe. Maraming dadahanan yun.
Baba pa.
Dadanak mo na ang dugo bago makarating kay Pe yun.
Dadanak talaga ng dugo
Hello po, Sir Efren, your friend. Ako po si Annalyn, isa sa mga nanalo sa bawat LS nyo. Minsan pinapalad, minsan hindi. Pero nanalo na po ako sa inyo. Thank you so much po dahil malaking bagay po, malaking tulong yung palaro nyo para sa amin. Malaking tulong po yun para sa budget. And thank you so much po dahil ang bilis po ng pag-send ng pa-premyo sa amin. Super legit. Guys, kung gusto nyo manalo, mag-like, comment, and share sa channel ni Sir Efren, your friend. Thank you so much po. God bless.
Hello po. Thank you po, Sir Efren. Na-receive ko na po yung prize ko. Napaka-legit po. Continue lang po sa pagtulong. Sana po marami pa kayong mapasaya at mabigyan. Kahit sa ganyang pamamaraan lang po ng inyong pagtulong. Maraming salamat po. God bless.
Hi po, magandang araw. Ako nga po pala si JV. Bali, ako po yung nanalo last week sa palureta ni Sir Efren. Ngayon po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga sponsor, tsaka sa lahat ng buo ng team, at tsaka higit sa lahat kay Sir Efren dahil grabe, sa dami namin, ako yung pinalad ulit. Bali, twice na po pala ako nanalo sa palureta ni Sir Efren. And thank you kasi ang swerte. Tsaka malaking tulong din po sa amin, lalong-lalo na sa gastusin. Tsaka guys, sa mga tumututok at sa tututok pa, tutok lang kayo. Malay nyo, kayo na yung susunod, di ba? And sa lahat, more power sa channel ni Sir Efren. God bless po. And please, huwag natin kalimutan i-follow, share, tsaka i-like. Thank you!
Hello po Sir Efren, ako po si Mariel Baay, isa po sa nanalo sa Usapang Kaibigan ng last Monday po. Sobra po ako nagpapasalamat kasi napakalaking tulong po nito para sa amin. Katulad kong isang housewife lamang. Salamat po at may programang katulad niyo na napakalaking tulong po para sa amin. Naway patuloy po kayong tumulong sa mga nangangailangan, sir. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sponsor, sa inyo po ni Sir TJ. Maraming salamat po. God bless po.
Ng araw po, Sir Efren, maraming salamat po sa napanalunan ko po na 1,000 pesos through GCash po. At malaking tulong po ito para sa pagkain, gamot ko po, pang-maintenance ko po. Dahil ako po ay isang PWD, partial blind, solo parent na po sa 2 anak. Maraming salamat po.
Hi Sir Efren, thank you po, nanay kami, bibigyan po kami ng gatas.
Hello po, Sir Efren, your friend, and Sir Taong Gala. Ito po yung nabili ko sa napanalunan ko po kagabi na 1,000 pesos. Saka ito po, gamot ni baby po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo kasi po kung hindi po dahil sa inyo baka hindi po mabili ang mga ito. Maraming salamat po Sir Efren, your friend.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat kina Sir Efren at Sir Taong Gala dahil nanalo po ako ng 500 pesos sa kanilang YouTube live nung nakaraang linggo. Salamat po talaga ng marami sa inyong dalawa, sir. God bless po.
Sir Efren, natanggap ko na po yung panalo ko po sa Duck Race na 500 pesos. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Always support po sa inyong channel and God bless po sa inyong family po. And salamat po ng marami. Ako po si Rebecca Dayata. And YT name po, the stalker TPO is STD po. Thank you po, Sir Efren.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Efren, sa maaga niyong papasko.
Thank you po.
Pamasko. Ako po si Lenny Ling. Ako po si Judy Ann. Thank you, Sir
Efren.
Efren. So much po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Patuloy po namin kayo sa supportahan.